When it comes to finding oversold coins for the best entries for going long, CoinGPT's scanner is one of the best tools around for this. So you can go to Open Scanner, and the scanner actually has two different functionalities, if you like. The first is a market scanner where you can search by actual trade conditions, such as breakouts, MACD bullish. You could search by bullish divergences, for example, there's patterns, volume, volatility. Or the other function of the scanner is a coin scanner where you can actually type or enter a coin or stocks, by the way, and it's going to give you confluencing factors based on how oversold a coin is when it's ready to be bought, basically. So let me give you a couple of examples. There is a link below you can follow along with me. So we'll check out the market scanner first. We'll go straight into trends and let's look at MACD bullish. So the time frame is showing us all the coins that have a MACD bullish indicator right now. For example, this one, it's an altcoin. I haven't personally heard of it. I have heard of Quant, QNT, so we'll do that one. And you can see that the MACD has just turned bullish on the 1 hour, which could be a sign for a continuation or a breakout. So that's one way of looking at it. And the great thing about it is you can actually tap on the Ask Trade Assistant. And not only does it give you the key levels, it gives you a chart. And if you run this through the Trade Assistant, it will actually give you a draft trade setup as well. So you can connect your exchange, you can go long directly from CoinGPT as well. Let's do another one just as an example here. Let's go on to indicators and do RSI divergence, which is also known as a bullish divergence, RSI bullish divergence. We'll look at some different time frames here. We've got 1 hour. We'll do CHZ, Chiles. I've heard of that one, maybe you have. We'll look at the chart. There is the bullish divergence that it captured, as you can see. And again, you could set up a trade directly from here, or you can look at the chart. Now, I'm going to show you how it works on the reverse of this coin scanner. So the reverse being, instead of searching by the conditions, you search by the coin to see what conditions it might meet. We'll go with near protocol. That's a popular one. So it's leaning bullish, as you can see on the confluence rating. To explain how this works, it is picking up what indicators near is meeting and the different time frames it's meeting that setup. Now, this confluence rating of 5 bullish, 3 bearish is based on the number of time frames as well. So it's not just how many indicators they're flashing on, it's also time frames as well. You can actually do it by time frame. You can see the higher time frame is producing much more bullish results. The low time frame has some bullish ones as well. So I'll click that to filter it, and you can see MACD bullish given the chart on the 30-minute. Okay, we have a MACD bullish signal in play. We also have a golden cross on the 5 minutes. You can see the 50-day moving average is taken over the 200. That's known as a golden cross. Stochastic oversold. Okay, so it's showing that the stochastic's completely oversold. That's a bullish reversal signal. And CoinGPT reversal. This is our own AI indicator tool. It's part of the premium plans. I'll talk about that in a minute. But it's showing all of the indicators have flashed bullish, and CoinGPT's own one. So in terms of plans, you get quite a bit in the Discover free plan. You can try it down below to see if you like it. Then if you do, of course, you can upgrade Pro being the most popular. And then from there, you can check out the Trade Assistant where you can build trades through the trade setup. For example, I'll show you one. I've clicked on ETH with trade setup. It's going to give you live AI analysis, and it will actually give you a draft trade as well if you have trade set up. So it's recommending a short at the moment with 81% confidence. So this isn't like what the video suggested, how to know when a coin's oversold. This is actually overbought, and it's showing the chart context. So it's suggesting to enter now for a short trade. The great thing about AI, it's completely unbiased, which is exactly what you want when it comes to making money in trading. From there, you can connect an exchange. CoinGPT supports all the major exchanges. And if you found this video useful, leave a like, share it, comment with any questions, and the link is down below. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.